What up, you guys? We are now in Christchurch, and for the first time in my life, I'm about to sleep in a pod. A really small room. I think Japan has it. I'm in room 210. Check out my pod. So you literally walk in and you have to put your card in here in order for any of these lights to go on. And then you're in, and this is the room. You walk in, there's a bed, there's a shower. I think there's a toilet. Yep, there's a toilet. That's it. That's all she wrote. There's a TV. There's that light that's not on. That's it. Yeah! Yeah, we got these little things. Oh, we got a stripper pole. Check this out. Putting this to work. This is a really small room, but it's actually really interesting. Works for me. Oh, and there's something on the ground too.
I'm just all creepy.
Oh, there's no windows in here. There's no windows. I've got the camera on the door right now.
Start it over.
That's it. I'll see you guys when I do something interesting here in Christchurch. We're only here for like half a day.